This keyboard is entirely made out of ceramic, like your everyday coffee mug, and it claims to be faster than any gaming board out there. So can it live up to the hype? It's wrong B360. This is the Keychron Q16 HE 8K, a $230 keyboard that might just be one of the most interesting designs we've seen in years. Also, thanks Keychron for sending this product to review. And if you want to buy this product, I will leave a link for you in the video description. But let's begin with the design and build quality. At first impression, this thing looks stunning. The moment you pick it up, you feel that cold, dense weight of ceramic. It's glossy, it's sleek, and it almost feels like holding a piece of art instead of a keyboard. Because Keychron didn't just slap on ceramic keycaps, as the entire body is ceramic, from top to bottom. It's durable, scratch resistant, and the color isn't painted on, as it's baked right into the material. The downside, ceramic is hard but brittle. Drop it once and it might chip. So it's definitely a keep it on the desk kind of board, not a travel companion. And it's surprisingly heavy, around a kilo, but that helps it stay planted while typing. The ceramic keycaps themselves feel super smooth with a slick, glass-like texture that's really different from the grippy feel of PBT caps. Overall, this is one of the most premium looking keyboards you can buy right now, but it demands care. As for the box content, you get the keyboard itself, a braided USB-C to C cable, a USB-A adapter, a keycap and switch puller, some extra keycaps, a small screwdriver, a quick start guide with a couple of handy key combinations, and lastly, a handy manual. Keychron also includes extra foam layers pre-installed for acoustics, so you don't need to mod it right away. And everything arrived neatly packed, as I'm used to from Keychron. As for the tag and features, the Q16 HE 8K is a 65% layout. Compact, but still includes arrow keys and function buttons. Under the hood, it uses magnetic Hall effect switches called Keychron Ultra Fast Limes. So instead of metal contacts, these switches use magnets to detect how far you've pressed. That means no switch wear, faster response, and the ability to adjust actuation distance per key. You can set a key to trigger with the lightest touch, which is perfect for shooters, or deeper for more deliberate typing. It also supports rapid trigger and dynamic keystrokes, letting you assign multiple actions to different press depths. Now about that AK part, the 8000 Hz polling rate. In short, the keyboard reports its input to your PC 8000 times per second. That's 8 times faster than standard gaming boards. The difference won't be noticeable if you're a casual user, but if you're a competitive player, it's as fast as it gets. Just think of it as an ultra-responsive mode. But keep in mind to check if your PC's processor supports this. And let's talk about the RGB, because even with a full ceramic build, the Q16 still packs a surprising amount of lighting options. The board uses south-facing RGB LEDs, which means the light shines toward you instead of directly up through the keycaps. Ceramic keycaps aren't transparent, so you won't see light through the keycaps itself, but you do get a clean, elegant glow around each key. It creates this soft outline effect, almost like a neon border, and it looks really premium against the glossy ceramic surface. Keychron gives you all the classic modes: rainbow, breathing, ripple, single color, reactive typing modes, and full per key color control. You can customize everything through the software or use onboard shortcuts if you prefer staying software free. And Keychron also offers this nice overview, so you can easily change the RGB effects. But if you like minimal aesthetics, you can also disable the lights or go for a simple white or blue glow, which also looks great. And if you like gaming vibes, the full RGB wave effect also works surprisingly well with the ceramic body. Overall, the RGB is subtle, stylish, and complements the keyboard without overpowering its clean look. As for customization, software, and maintenance, this board is hot-swappable, so you can pull switches out without soldering. However, for the Hall effect features, you'll want to stick with Keychron's own magnetic switches, as other types may lose advanced actuation control. It's also compatible with QMK and Keychron Launcher, a web-based tool where you can remap keys, set macros, and fine-tune actuation. As for the connectivity, you get a USB-C for wired, that's where you get the 8K polling. However, somehow the Q16 HE lacks a wireless connection, which is really a bummer. And maintenance-wise, just avoid moisture. and use a microfiber cloth to wipe dust off the ceramic. And if you want to remove the keycaps, be gentle because the ceramic caps are sturdy but can chip if pried unevenly. Also, since the board is sealed well, there's no need for frequent internal cleaning. But let's talk about some real-world use, like gaming, typing, and best use cases. In gaming, the Q16 feels incredibly fast. Movement in Battlefield 6, Call of Duty, or Fortnite register instantly. The rapid trigger function makes quick strafing or double taps effortless. The adjustable actuation point is a game changer. You can literally tune how sensitive each key feels for different games. And for typing, the experience is very different from metal or plastic boards. The sound is crisp and sharp, almost like tapping porcelain teacups. It's not the deep talk of a traditional board, but think of it more as a refined, snappy click-clack. Some people love it, some find it too bright. Personally, I would say it feels precise and clean. Just listen to it for a minute. Also, the board's weight keeps it stable and the ceramic finish stays cool under your hands, even after long sessions. So for the best use cases, if you're a competitive gamer, you will love the adjustable actuation and 8K polling. And if you're a keyboard enthusiast or designer, it's a showpiece with real engineering value. And for office or productivity use, it's comfortable but maybe too flashy or heavy to carry around. So let's talk about some pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the Keychron Q16 HE is stunning with its unique and ceramic design, as there's nothing else like it. Then you get the magnetic Hall effect switches with adjustable actuation and rapid trigger. You get that 8000 Hz polling with top tier responsiveness. It's hot-swappable and fully customizable with QMK and Launcher, and it has an excellent stability. It has a cool to touch feel and premium acoustics. As for the cons, the Q16 is fragile, as you could chip it if you drop it. Also, it's kinda pricey at $229, and the sound profile might not be for everyone. Also, I like that wired connection for the 8K polling rate. However, it would be nice to also have the option to connect it wirelessly. As for the final verdict, the Keychron Q16 HE 8K isn't just a keyboard, as it's a statement piece. It's part art project, part performance monster. So if you're a gamer chasing the fastest response times or a collector who wants something truly different, it's one of the most interesting boards you can buy right now. But if you want Hall effect speed without the luxury build, there are cheaper, safer options. And in that case, Keychron also has your back. Still, you have to respect Keychron for daring to make something this wild. A ceramic keyboard that actually works. So if you want to buy this keyboard, check out the link in the video description. And if you like this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and click right here to watch the next video. See you there!